Welcome, my name is Gabrielle, and hi again. If y'all have been here before, we were on this epic adventure, 2 weeks road tripping to Texas, and now it is time to tidy up and get things in order. Jeez. So these boys just ate breakfast. It's a little cold, so the fire is on. Baby girl is up. This house was clean when we got here, but the tornado came through. So I need to do laundry. Haven't even emptied it. This one's empty, so yay. Car seats are still outside. Need to open this up and take care of laundry. Good morning. So it is, let's see, 7:34 right now, and still feel like we're kind of on Texas time, but like we took a pretty relaxing weekend. I did a couple laundry loads, but today I really want to get a lot of the laundry completed. I already started a load this morning, and I have to wash the car seats, and since my car is empty, I want to vacuum and just clean it out because soccer season's over and I just miss my car. So come and join me as I try to regroup and hopefully motivate you. And I'm still a little sleep deprived and all the things, but yes, I am excited to see some change and maybe get rid of some things along the way. We stayed at a couple Airbnbs, which was convenient since we were able to wash our clothes, but since everything was in the luggage, I just wanted to wash all my things. I'm curious to know anyone else's experience of Airbnbs. I'm thinking of making a video because we stayed at several during this 2-week adventure, so I would love to share what I learned. So I got this for Adelina's baby shower for my friend, but the boys have destroyed it. So I sewed one of them before we went on that trip, but I need to fix this one. So I'm gonna sew it now. Boys are busy with some crayons. So let's get at it. Do your littles follow you? I only ask this because I've been wanting to share some of my experience with my littles, since I have not always welcomed interruptions that might happen. Before, I would get frustrated, or just knowing that I wasn't able to complete a task as fast or at my potential. However, God has helped me. I've definitely asked for the help, and I know that by asking, you're inviting God to come alongside you and parent, because I am not equipped by any means. And it didn't happen overnight, so there's no magical prayer that just happened. But I see how happy they are to be included in what I'm doing, and that just really makes me feel like I'm doing a good job. And also, when I would invite people to things, I'm very inclusive, so I know that even if they weren't able to make it, they probably enjoyed the feeling of being invited. Overall, I just want my children to feel wanted and know that I love them. So even if it takes a little bit longer, I am going to keep including them in what I am doing. So here's a little before. It's not terrible, because I did try to clean up a little bit before we left. Car seats are right now chilling in here, so need to wash those. All right, so it's just so much leftover stuff. And there was a bloody nose incident. Wash this. It is a mess back here. So let the games begin. It was so nice just cleaning up and finding random treasures, and the masks, they were literally all over the place. I was surprised I didn't have as many as I was expecting, but that was nice to get rid of. It was early morning when I went outside to take care of this. Adelina was napping, so I brought the 3 boys out with me, and I honestly had fun. They did pretty well just exploring outside. Mind you, they have been cooped up in a van for 2 weeks, so they weren't getting much outdoor play except for when we'd go on walks in the towns that we were in. So I definitely wanted to utilize the good weather that we had. We were like in the mid 60s. That was good for them and for me as well, so I could take care of this little task. It is so messy. I'm able to clean up a lot, but there's like beach sand in here. Finding so much clothes. This is my trash pile. Those snacks that we had. Just trying to make piles of things. So it is coming together.
What it would be like for someone on your side to be like when the dark is strong and you can't hold on. Just remember we're in this together. Never forget your dreams, even when it ain't easy. The world's not ready, so darling, come and dance with me.
So I mostly got everything out of here. These are just some eco bags that I have. I get those out, but all the stuff mostly all taken out of here. It's just a bunch of crumbs, so can't wait to vacuum all that up. I'm just waiting to like dust all this stuff after I like vacuum everything. But here's some piles of stuff. I need to wash the car seats. Clean to the side. I also found Adelina's earring, so that's good. This was from the road trip. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what we need and what we don't need. Oh, here's In-N-Out sauce. We like having that around. I'm trying to get the big things because when I vacuum, it's not going to take the big things. These cute little sunglasses. Michael found them. Her sister. Need to put them somewhere. Like, oh my goodness. What the heck is in here? This one expired. A broken straightener.
Changing, I promise you're not crazy. You're right where you're supposed to be. So darling, come and dance with me. What it would be like for someone on your side to be like you are not alone. You can always come home, baby. It's okay. Just let me say when the dark is strong and you can't hold on. Just remember we're in this together.
So with the kids playing in the front, there's a big, there's a mess from that, but honestly it was fun. And now two of them are outside. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I need to clean these two because these are really bad. I need to not dust them, but like clean them out. See how they have like crumbs, and then I did something, and then all these crumbs came out of one of them just like being unwrapped. So I'm gonna do laundry really quick. And then notice this broke. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have my help today. My 2 helpers for their own car seats. Those are all the crumbs that have come from their car seats. You guys ready?
Yeah.
You wanna help? All right. You're in charge of this one.
We did it.
So you're gonna start from the top down, okay?
Never forget your dreams, even when it ain't easy. The world's not ready, so darling, come and dance with me. Everything's changing, I promise you're not crazy. You're right where you're supposed to be, so darling, come and dance with me.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of me.
Not sure if you can tell all the mess from their car seats, but here it is.
This car seat.
So we are going to go outside. I'm going to take this stuff and put it in the car. I'm going to wash the car, but I need to supervise these children. Adelina's napping, so perfect time.
Found out, they tried to shout, but when in doubt, the facade of the sea staring back at me. Each led like sheep, drowning oh so patiently. Sand people sit and wait anxiously.
Give mommy.